our officers from Kamkunji police station and combined of CID officers got information that there's a syndicate of people who are buying stolen mobile phones. So the officers went to a Mango Hotel, which holds stalls, 6 stalls, and it is within Rescos Road, and they were able to arrest 10 men and recovered all these phones. This is 149 phones and 150 dismantled phones, which we believe they are using as spare parts for other phones. We believe we have broken through because these are the persons who are buying. You see, the phones are snatched by the street boys, and then they are taken to these people who are buying the phones. If we arrest those who are buying the phones, we believe we are through, because even if they snatch and they have no market where to sell, I think we shall be through with that. And this is not the first time. About two or 3 months ago, some of them were recovered in Kayole, I remember, then others in central, this place again. Washukiwa, I think all of them are men who are arrested, 10 of them.